Okay, let's do problems based on transformers in chapter 4 physics. I'm going to do exercise 4.63 first. The question goes like this. Transformer has efficiency of 80%. We know efficiency can be denoted as eta 80%, which can be written as 80 by 100. Also told, it is connected to a power input of 4 kilowatt at 100 volt. Okay, input power. We know power is voltage into current. Here voltage of input is primary, so input voltage EP into input current IP, that is input power altogether, is being given as 4 kilowatt, which is 4000 watts. Okay, and also been given that the input voltage is 100 volt, so EP is 100 volt. Okay, with the help of which you can immediately calculate IP, because EP into IP is given as 4000, of which EP is 100, right? So I'm going to say 100 into IP is equal to 4000, or IP is equal to simply 40 amps. So I have got the input or the primary current also. Now, if the secondary voltage is 240, okay, ES, that is secondary voltage, is given as 240 volt. They have asked for calculate the primary and secondary currents. Okay, so can I just simply go for to find out IS, the secondary current? That I have to wait. What? Efficiency of an ideal transformer only is 1. At the same time, for a practical normal transformer, efficiency, which is output power by input power, has to be respected. So it is efficiency which is equal to output power ES into IS by input power EP into IP. Output power ES into IS, of which ES we know it is 240, IS no, we don't know. Input power we've been told as 4000 watts, right? Yeah. And eta we've been told as 80 by 100. So I'm going to say 80 by 100 is 240 into IS by 4000. I'm going to cancel off a 0 with a here 0. This 1 times 3 times. Cross multiplying. I'm going to get IS as 40 by 3, which is 13.33 amps. So I got the secondary current also. Already we have got the primary current as well. Yeah. Over. Thank you. Okay, now we'll do question number exercise 4.60. It's been given as the primary of a transformer has 400 turns. Okay, let me teach you about certain formulae involved in transformer. Okay, primary number of turns NP by secondary number of turns NS is equal to primary voltage by secondary voltage, but it is equal to secondary current by primary current. That is, number of turns and voltage are directly proportional, whereas this current alone is inversely proportional. Okay, got to be very careful about this. As usual, we know that input power means we are talking about EP into IP. Output power, always we are talking about ES into IS. And again, if you want eta, the efficiency, obviously it is output power by input power, which means if you want, you can make use of formula called ESIS by EPIP. This is totally the formula which is being made use of for this particular question. Now, let's get back to the question. Question 4.60 says, the primary of a transformer has 400 turns. So, NP is 400, whereas secondary is 2000 turns. So, NS is 2000. Now, as we know it, NP by NS, which is also our EP by ES, I want to forget about NP by NS hereafter, because now that I have got EP by ES, which is 400 by 2000. Indirectly, this is what been given. Now, if the input power from secondary, if the power output from the secondary, power output from secondary, right, power output from secondary, is given as 12.1 kilowatt, which means 12,100 watt, because into 1000. Also given secondary voltage, ES, is given as 1100 volt. So here itself we can calculate, we can calculate IS. IS must be 12,100 by 1100, obviously, which is simply 11 ampere. So IS you can calculate with the help of this. Now, what else been given? They have asked us to calculate the primary voltage. What is EP? Fine, with the help of whatever we know right now, we'll also check with if anything else is given, because we want to check if there is efficiency given or not, right? Yeah, efficiency given 90%. Very important. Efficiency is always output power by input power. So it is ESIS by EPIP, which is given as 90 by 100, 90%. Output power also we know, so I'm going to write directly as 12,100 divided by EPIP. So do I know EP or IP? No, I don't know EPIP, but I know EP by ES as a ratio. Fine. So I know EP by ES as a ratio, but I don't know other things. What can I go back is, I can say ES by EP, because here into IS by IP, right? IS we calculated as 11 by IP is 90 by 100. Smart way of looking at this. Why? Because I know ES by EP. Where is being given? No. If EP by ES is 400 by 2000, then ES by EP is 2000 by 400. So instead of this place, I can write 2000 by 400. So I'm going to write it as 2000 by 400 into 11 by IP is equal to 90 by 100. This can give me IP. So 2004 by 400 is simply 5, no? Yeah. Can I just say 55 by IP is 9 by 10? Yeah. Or IP is equal to cross multiply 550 by 9. Do I need to calculate this? No need, because the question is calculate. The question is not about calculate IP, IS and all. Then the question is about calculate the heat loss in the primary coil, as well as heat loss in the secondary coil. Heat loss. We know H is equal to I square RT as formula. Then we have to look out for time, no? Unfortunately, we are not being given with time in this question. So it must be a power loss rather than saying heat loss. So make T as 1 or cancel it, it's going to be simply power loss that we're going to calculate. All we need is I square R. Yeah. Again, heat loss in primary is what been asked, right? So can I call it as HP? The meaning is heat loss in primary coil, which means the current involved should be IP square into RP. Is the resistance of primary given? Yes, it is given in the question. It is given as 0.2 ohms. And RS, the resistance in secondary coil is also given as 2 ohms in the question. So instead of IP, I know IP value sometime back I found out, Yeah, 550 by 9 the whole square into RP, which is 0.2. So it's simply 550 into 550 into 0.2 by 9. I have to work it out. I have to cancel it out now, right? So 55 into 55, which is 3025, then 0 0 into 0.2 by 9. Oh, we have 9 into 9 at the base. Okay. So on calculating, we're going to get the answer as 747. Power loss, no? So it's going to be in watts. Now, heat loss in the secondary coil. HS. I square R, we know it as. So IS square into RS. What is IS? We actually found it to be 11 amps, right? So 11 into 11 into RS is 2. 121 into 2 is 242 watts is going to be the heat loss in the secondary coil. That's it. Thank you.